So I've shown one of these cars on the channel before, but I thought I'd show you all again. This is a 2019 Mini John Cooper Works. And the reason I'm showing it is because it's cool looking, it has neat vinyl done to it, it has other little things done to it. I feel like I might have seen this car before, and it also has another thing we'll get to shortly. This car has carbon fiber covers on the door handles, carbon fiber gas cap, carbon fiber mirror covers. It has the JCW Pro suspension on it, but there's also a carbon fiber hood scoop on it. Now, this hood scoop, for those of you out there who are Mini enthusiasts, and if you saw the sticker on the side of the car, you know exactly what this is. That's hiding something under the hood that you're gonna want to see. And if there was a way I could take it home with me, I would. This has an Venturi intake, and I've never seen one in person before until now. And here it is, the inlet for it. So, functional hood scoop right here. So you have the inlet hose here, air filter in there, intake pipe going out right here. Pretty cool setup there. Now, obviously, completely empty space right here where the air box used to be. That intake right there, combined with if you had a forged hard pipe, would really create some interesting sounds from this engine. So with that, you have a little bit more grunt, a little bit more noise, and it makes those tailpipes sound even better, as I shall now demonstrate. Of course, the real magic is up by the hood where you can actually hear the intake. As you might have guessed, it's really easy to amuse a Mini enthusiast or a car enthusiast in general. So along with that, this car has stripes going up over the roof in Starlight Blue and contrasting with the white ones over the Starlight Blue car. The result is a pretty neat looking stripe. I really like that. And you have no sunroof up there, so this car is lightweight as well. That is just perfect. I mean, who needs a sunroof up here? You don't need that. I mean, how often are you gonna use it? Really? I mean, literally, how often are you gonna use a sunroof on the car? Not very often. Now, inside, a little bit different. Red trim rings. They replaced the shift knob as well. Feel little things here and there. Older JCW, not bad though. Pretty comfortable. I'd drive it. USB down there. Carbon fiber e-brake handle. Now, I don't think it has any tuning on it, but it is a 2019. That wouldn't be very difficult to accomplish. You could use Dynon. You could use several others out there. You could use modded Mini. I know Abel can tune these quite easily, so there's that. And there you have it. Just a cool JCW hardtop. Now, I don't know the price on this one, but it is for sale at Bear Mini. So if you're looking for a Starlight Blue JCW like this, and this one fits what you're looking for, I mean, it even has the JCW Pro coilovers on it, why don't you give them a call, come out here and buy it. I can guarantee you I'm probably not going to try to buy it. I have my JCW parked over nearby, right there, and I'm rather fond of it and don't plan to get rid of it anytime soon. But this one is really, really nice, and with the sun coming out, you can really see that beautiful Starlight Blue paint. And I have a friend who owns one of these. He's actually selling it now. Beautiful car. He loves it. It's one of his favorite Minis. So there you have it. And if you like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video. And thank you so much for watching.